Come back, guys. I saw a lot of good comments concerning the last video we did. Today we're going to do the pivot point strategy trading, and I love to do something concrete and that would help a lot of people, a lot of traders, right, when trading. Here's what I did. I think I started the day trade with a pivot point analysis. I did that just yesterday, and even right now the account is still growing. It grew from 2,000 to 6,000 to 6,000. Yeah, 2,000 to $6,000, and you can see it. Even right now, still I just left just one trade, still reading. All right, let's move straight up in how to use pivot point. In using your pivot point, try to understand the root of the market structure. Where is the market going to? Is it upward, downwards, or is moving sideways? So after that, then you click on your options button. Here is it, properties. You come to show the OHSC. This OHSC stands for open, high, low, close. Right here you activate that, and right here at the top, this is it: open, high, low, and close. That is what those numbers stands for. And because the trading is still going on, it shows that the trading and the market opened at this level. This is the height. This is the height it has been so far, the highest it has been so far, and this is the lowest so far, and here is the close. Here is where it is right now. So not until the day is over you get the real figure of the close. Because of the fact that I have a lot of things going on in my trading platform. Okay, let me see. Let me do something. Yeah. Well done, guys. And mind you, if you like the first video, please try to subscribe. If you enjoy this video, also try to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you haven't seen the other video, please go back to the last topic, that's the moving average, and get to understand that as well, because in this trade you still also need it. You need it just for it to guide you. And this is one thing you need to understand about the candlestick. Like on a trending candle, on a bullish candle, here is the open, here is the open, here is the height, the high, and here is the close, and this small wick here is the low. The market actually opened from this direction. It opened from this point, then closed at this point. The lowest it went down to was this point, and it went as high to this point, then it came down that day, and when the day was over it closed there. Then you see it went on, opened at this point, went a bit down as the low, and now it's on the bullish side. Now this is what happened. This is what I did using the pivot point. On this candlestick, you place, once you activated your OHLC, you come to the candlestick before. Always The best way to use this is using the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. This is the best way to use the pivot point analysis. It is the perfect way, so you can understand the direction of the market, where the market is working towards, what the market is working towards. Now, this is it. You put your arrow close to a candlestick that's a day before, and just because of the day traders, you put your candlestick close to it. Well, what we have here is 2021 10th. Here is the open, the close, high and low. Now the number we are going to work with is the high, low and close. So what you do is you open to your pivot, just because I've already done it, and this is it. You open to your pivot, then you on the low you type in the figure you saw there, low, while the high you put in your high mark, your high figures, and the close you put in. Then the the app will help you to calculate it. Make sure you put it on standard. So it will give you the calculation. Then you scroll up. Here is your pivot point. Now, in placing your pivot point, this is it. Now you take on this horizontal line, then you look for where the pivot point is. It says 155.29. Now let's look for 155. This is 155.21. This is what it gave us, 155.21. Then this is your pivot point. Then you have the support one. Your support one is 154.69. Let's work with the average of what we can get. Okay, 68. Let's put it there. Now this is your S1, and your resistance would be 15592. 15592. Okay, good. Now you see this middle one. Sometimes I usually like to change the color of the pivot point. I put it red. So this middle is your P1, here is your resistance one, and here is your arrow one. So what happened yesterday, I discovered the market opened in between the pivot point and the resistance one. So I understood the market was a trending market, and it was a trending market, yeah. And for about 15 minutes plus, the market was going up. And this is one thing I usually do. Here's my secret though. Once I see that the market is going up in this manner, like going towards my arrow one, that's the resistance one, I try to trade within this space. Most times the market may go to this resistance, then return and go back, then return, just like that within the trade. Yeah, it may go up and come down, go up and come down, just like that. That's why sometimes when you see a candlestick like this, you end up seeing some wick here. Like can tell you that this place was a resistance point, either 1 or 2 for the previous day calculation of this. So the private points walk towards this place, and the candlestick walked towards the resistance at that arrow 1, arrow 2, then came back just like that. So now this is our arrow 1. Let's place our arrow 2 and see where the arrow 2 is. The arrow 2 is 15644. 15644. Okay, that's a good point. Now this is our arrow 2. We'll call this our arrow 2. It is our arrow 2, and our arrow 3 is 157, 157, 154, 154. Okay, this is our arrow 3. That's resistance point 3. So what happened was, when I saw the market going up and I understood that the market is on the uptrend, and secondly our moving average, like I gave you the last time, use a moving average of 5 as your fast moving average and the slow moving average 10. You put your 10, and here we go. Now as you can see, I understand that understood that the market is still on the uptrend. It's still on the uptrend, so I understood the market was going to go up, so I clicked on buy. I entered a buy trend, a buy signal with 0.5 lot size, 0.5 lot size, and that was it. The market started trending, and although because of the large market I entered, it went down. It took like a negative of -7, like that, but eventually it went up because I understood it was going to go up. And in playing safe, I would actually like to take my some profit at the arrow 1. When I saw it was going up again, I took another profit at the arrow 2. Then the arrow 3, that's what is still reading now. It's still reading now. I just left one stake because of already you don't have to be greedy with the trade. Now you can see the winning position we are having. This is a large win, like raising I tripled the account from $2,000 over 6,700 as at now. 6,700. So once you understand this, I promise you, you would hardly get a loss, but you need to be watchful on your trade. Now this is what I told you that time. Like, here is the private point, for instance. Here is the private point. This is the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Okay. The 4-hour time frame. Now this is what happened. Here is the private point. This now was the little wick you saw, and this was how the market started. And this now is the arrow 1. Here is our arrow 1. Here is the arrow 1. You see the market went up, it's down, went down. Like I told you, most times it usually play around this all day. It will just keep going up and down within the arrow 1, come to the private point, go back again, like that. But now since I was lucky, So lucky enough, the market just went down, went up, came down, then whoo, all bullish. Like that was a nice one. That was a nice one for the day, man. That was a nice one for the day. Now, okay, here is the what's happened. This is our market. This is what I did. Now you see, though the market may also go up beyond the arrow theory, but I think I'm okay with what I've got today, and I could say the market may go up, start coming down because to respect this arrow theory level, resistance level, and the market may close with a small wick like this on the top of this place. So try to test run this, guys, and I will try to do more video on this private point because you will enjoy using this. I promise you. Yeah, I promise you this, guys. So if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe, and the notification, please make it on, so just when next I drop some videos you get to be the first to know. And thumbs up this weekend. Let's go party, man. Thank you.